What interests me about making work is the surprise. I don't know what the light stack is going to look like lit until we're done making it. It's pretty risky and pretty crazy, and that feels good. The type of work we do in this space ranges from designing on a computer and rendering a project that is going to be built by other people to prototyping little components. We design buildings, we build sculpture, lighting, design objects, one-of-a-kind pieces. There's an interest in making objects that people interact with. I'm really obsessed with light and colors, contrast, reflection, and that is dependent on the type of material that the light is hitting. Working between architecture and interior work and renovation work and meeting with clients and talking about materials and what they felt about them. The memories we have are tied to the place that we are at. I mean, we remember the concert we were at, the darkness and the smell and the sticky table versus a beach vacation, right? It's about the materiality. It's a kind of an endless question for me. What does this make somebody feel? And so, as a student of architecture, I really believed that space was this important thing that you could physically feel. There's an idealism to it that it matters. Somebody feels like this is where I want to be. That is my goal, my dream. The thing that I want to happen in the work I make is that they are things, objects, spaces that people want to walk around and experience and wonder about.